Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Bobby and you're watching Mind Island Design. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily create a seamless pattern in Adobe Illustrator. To begin, I will just start laying out my design. Any artwork that is on the outside of your artboard, you will want to copy and paste into place and then go to transform and move to the same location on the opposite side of your artboard. My artboard is 5 inches by 5 inches, so I just added a value of 5 inches to my X value. And same with any design on the opposite side, you'll just want to subtract from your X or Y value. Once you're happy with your pattern, you will want to create a square the size of your artboard and then align that to center. Then with your selection tool, you will want to highlight everything and hit Command or Control and 7 to create a clipping mask. Now as you can see, when I line up the squares, they create a seamless pattern. Now if I go into wireframe mode with Command or Control and Y, you can still see what artwork is on the outside of my artboard. If I were to create a pattern with this clipping mask, Illustrator would still include any artwork that is on the outside of this clipping mask. So I'll just duplicate this so I always have an editable copy, and then I'll just open up Pathfinder and select Crop. Now if we go back into wireframe mode, we can see any artwork on the outside of the clipping mask was cropped. Now all that's left to do is simply drag our artwork into our swatches panel. Now if we select our new swatch and our rectangle tool, we can see our new pattern we just created. And you can still adjust the size of your pattern by right-clicking, going to Transform, and selecting Scale. You want to make sure that you deselect transform objects and select uniform, and now we can scale our pattern to our liking. And that is how you can easily create a seamless pattern in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this video helped. If it did, don't forget to hit subscribe and follow us on all of our social media to stay connected and never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.